Hi, we're LK19, and we're here to recommend to you, Justin, the best product for your lineup. First, let's meet the team.
Hi, I'm Henry and I'm studying finance and real estate.
Hi, I'm John. I'm studying accounting.
Hi, I'm Caitlin, and I'm doing finance and marketing.
Hi, I'm Michaela and I'm studying marketing.
And I'm Marin, and I'm studying management and accounting. First off, we're going to go over the market attractiveness, brand fit, financial analysis, and operational feasibility of what product we believe will be the best fit for the Justin's product lineup. And that product is honey. Justin's has redefined nut butter. And what if we took the same commitment to quality, sustainability, and innovation and introduced Justin's honey to the product lineup? The results would be revolutionary. The honey market has a large market share and is currently growing. It's fragmented, so there's not a lot of large competitors that would get in the way of Justin's entering the market. Justin's honey would align with health-conscious consumers who value sustainability. In addition to this, Justin's Honey has the cheapest marketing and promotion out of all the potential options, and it has ideal operational feasibility due to the need for no new warehouses or filling lines and the ability to use previous product packaging equipment. Next up, Henry is going to be talking about the market attractiveness for honey. Take it away, Henry.
Thanks, Marin. The honey industry brings in $1.1 billion annually, according to the latest data. That makes it comparable to the size of the toaster party, pastry, and almond milk industries, and it's nearly 4 times as large as the sunflower seed industry. However, toaster pastries, almond milk, and chips, which are all concentrated markets run by large brand name companies, honey, on the other hand, is a fragmented market. Roughly 43% of annual sales are private label. Justin's has an opportunity to capture a sizable share by inserting itself into the market as a standout premium option that appeals to health and environmentally conscious customers. Justin's biggest brand name competitor would be Nature Nate's, which controls a 10% market share. The rest of the market, however, is divided up between 9 name brands that each have only single-digit percentage market shares. With an estimated 1.6% annual market growth rate, there's a great opportunity for Justin's brand to enter the honey industry and grow into a top premium name on the shelves. Now I'm going to pass it on to Michaela to talk about why honey is such a great brand fit for Justin's.
Thank you, Henry. As we mentioned before, honey is a perfect fit for Justin's and has the potential to be the company's next success story. First, we should highlight the fact that Justin specializes in almond butter, which are often categorized to allergy-prone consumers. Is extremely common and many peanut butter allergies are extremely common and many of Justin's customers are searching for delicious alternatives. Many of the customers that Justin's appeals to are health-focused and allergy-aware, looking for nutritious snack for day-to-day life or athletic endeavors. Whether for families to use on a hike, an ultra runner needing high-calorie food for runs, Justin's Honey would align with consumers' priorities in the Justin's brand. Health-conscious people are always searching for healthy options, and consumers in general typically stick to the brands they love. Because of this, we don't believe it would be difficult to convince Justin's customers to also buy their honey. If they see the brand Justin's and know their other products are good, they will also want to buy the honey opposed to other brands. Lastly, we believe it is important that Justin's business aligns with their goals and mission statement. Their mission statement says, "We strive to make more than delicious snacks. We strive to make a difference." We're also having several pre-existing Save the Bee campaigns. The owner of the company, Justin, spoke out about the bees and said, "But with honeybees dying off at a rate of 44% per year, we can't afford to sit idly." By sourcing honey from ethical bee farms, Justin's can help support healthy bee populations, stay true to their mission statement, and satisfy their customers. Next, I'll hand over to John to talk a little bit about the financial analysis.
Thank you, Michaela. Now let's break down the financials behind our decision to recommend honey for Justin's. While some other alternatives have higher financial returns, honey stands out due to its strong IRR, a positive MPV, and lower marketing costs. With an MPV of roughly $1.4 million, it ensures profitability despite the competition. With an IRR of 27.57%, it exceeds typical hurdle rates, ensuring strong returns. For the marketing costs, honey is only going to cost $1,500 per quarter compared to chips and almond milk, who are going to have quarterly values of $2,500. Now, for the next slide we created some graphs for you guys. The first graph here we have is MPV. Even with a slightly lower MPV than all the other options, it still indicates profitability, while lower marketing costs as well. For the second graph today we have is IRR. Honey is once again at the bottom portion of the other comparisons, such as toaster pastries, almond milk, sunflower seeds, and chips. But with a 27.57% return rate, the high IRR indicates profitability, and being compared with the lower marketing costs, it does improve the margins. For the third graph we have today, it's going to be the payback period. Honey has the longest payback period with about 3.25 years, but however, the rest of the comparisons, such as sunflower seeds, which is the fastest payback period of 2.71 years, the difference between the two isn't too drastic, and you can still generate returns quickly enough. For the last graph today we have is going to be the cumulative operating cash flows for year 5 specifically. With honey, it's going to be the second lowest, but it's still positive, indicating that it's still able to sustain profitability over a long-term time. The payback period reassures this by generating returns quickly enough while also being able to sustain a positive cash flow, as year 5 proves. Now that we covered all the financial metrics on why we are recommending honey, I'm going to hand it over to Caitlin, who's going to talk you through the operational feasibility of launching honey at Justin's.
Thank you so much, John. Although the financial situation for Justin's launching honey isn't ideal, the operational feasibility of Justin's producing honey is very achievable and fitting for their brand. As you can see on the slide, we have created a prototype for the honey packets. They look very familiar to those of the almond butter packets, as the means of manufacturing for both packets is extremely similar. And it makes for a very efficient and feasible process. This also includes the distribution system, as the products are relatively the same size and weight and can go about Justin's current distribution capabilities. On a similar note, Justin's already utilizes honey in other products, so the brand is already experienced in working with honey. They will have to implement an area dedicated specifically to producing honey, which is easier to integrate when compared to options such as almond milk and toaster pastries, which would need many new implementations, such as machines that harvest almonds into liquid milk and packaging for that. Honey's simplicity and compatibility with existing systems makes it the easiest and most cost-effective choice. It offers low operational risk and ensures efficient scalability. Now, Marin will wrap up and explain why Justin's launching honey is the optimal choice.
Thank you, Caitlin. Let's recap. While the financials aren't exactly as attractive as other options, the market attractiveness and ease of entering the honey market and the potential for growth, as well as the operational feasibility and the ability to reuse warehouses, distribution systems, and product packaging equipment, as well as the brand image, makes it overall a great option. In addition to this, honey will align highly with Justin's mission statement, which is, we strive to make more than just delicious snacks. We strive to make a difference. Justin's honey will bring customers value through delicious and nutritious honey that is ethically sourced and gives back to the communities around them through the Save the Bees initiative. It will integrate perfectly into the product lineup, and it appeals to the customer base and aligns with the mission statement and has short and long-term profitability. Now is the time to move forward and make Justin's honey a reality. Thank you.